As you can see, my convection oven is definitely in need of some cleaning, but I wanted to show you how with a little effort I can remove most of the surface grime without having to run the self-cleaning function. I certainly make good use of the self-cleaning function several times a year, but since it's a 4-hour process in my oven, sometimes it's just as easy to use a little elbow grease. My 24-inch oven has fairly small size racks, and they actually fit easily into the dishwasher and can be cleaned in the heavy-duty wash cycle. Some larger oven racks can also be washed in the dishwasher. If you are able to remove the middle and top racks, then you can flatten the tines in the bottom rack and angle the oven racks in, leaning them against the side of the dishwasher. First, I wipe the oven cavity out with hot soapy water to remove any grease. Then I sprinkle Barkeeper's Friend onto a damp cloth and scrunch it up to make a paste, which I rub into the most heavily soiled areas in the oven. I find it helps to let it sit for about 10 minutes, then I come back and work the stains a little bit more and rinse the cavity with hot water. If you have baked on stains on the floor of the oven, you can add a small amount of water to the floor of the oven and heat the oven in the bake mode to 200 degrees. This way the heated water will help release any baked on debris. Turn the oven off after about 10 minutes and carefully work the stained area, and always take care not to get the oven gasket wet. Now, the one area in an oven that shows the most staining from cooking is the inside of the oven door. And unfortunately, even self-cleaning doesn't remove those stains. I've tried a lot of different ways of cleaning the glass, but the method I find most effective is using a steel wool pad that has a soap-filled steel wood pad. They're quite soft, and as long as you don't scrub too hard, everything comes off and they don't scratch. So definitely do not use the scrubbing part of a sponge or any other sharp scrubbing device. The soap pads do an amazing job, and I've never scratched the glass. Best of all, you're not adding any harmful chemicals to the oven. Obviously, cleaning an oven is not high on anyone's list of fun things to do, but as you can see, keeping it clean actually takes very little effort. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.